Welcome back to Reviewsinside, where we dive deep into the world of tech to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a close look at the Acer Aspire Vero AV15-53P-77V9. If you're in the market for a laptop that's not just about performance, but also about being eco-friendly, you might want to stick around. This laptop promises solid performance, sleek design, and a little something extra for the planet. The Acer Aspire Vero comes equipped with an Intel Core i7-1355U processor, part of the 13th Gen Intel lineup, paired with Intel Iris Xe graphics. It's a solid configuration aimed at delivering impressive everyday performance, whether you're working through documents, streaming, or even light creative tasks. With 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, multitasking is seamless, and even heavy web browsing or running multiple apps won't slow things down. The 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD is another solid feature, offering fast read and write speeds to quickly load files and programs, enhancing the overall speed and responsiveness of the system. As for the display, you get a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS screen with 100% sRGB coverage. This is a great choice for media consumption and productivity. Whether you're watching movies, working on presentations, or just browsing, the colors look vivid and the contrast is strong. However, for the serious content creators or gamers out there, you may find the lack of a higher refresh rate or OLED panel a bit limiting. But for most day-to-day tasks, this screen will deliver more than enough quality. Battery life is another area where the Aspire Vero shines, with Acer promising long-lasting performance. Coupled with its efficient 13th Gen Intel processor and Acer's VeroSense power management app, the laptop offers 4 performance modes: Performance, Balanced, Eco, and Eco Plus. The idea is to balance power with efficiency, and if you're on the go or working remotely, the Eco Plus mode will definitely help extend your usage time. Expect around 7 to 9 hours of usage in moderate tasks, but this will naturally dip under more demanding loads. When it comes to connectivity, the Aspire Vero supports killer Wi-Fi 6E AX11675, allowing for super fast internet speeds, even in crowded networks. If you rely on stable, quick internet for video calls or gaming, this feature will keep you ahead. Bluetooth 5.1 ensures stable connections with wireless peripherals, and the inclusion of USB-A, USB-C, and HDMI gives you solid options for connecting your external devices or monitors. For those of you who spend long hours typing, the keyboard on the Aspire Vero is surprisingly comfortable. The key travel is just right, and the layout includes a full set of function keys, making it ideal for productivity. The trackpad is responsive with good palm rejection and accuracy, ensuring smooth navigation. But it's not just about performance and practicality. This laptop is all about sustainability. The Aspire Vero is built with post-consumer recycled plastic, PCR, which is eco-friendly, reduces landfill waste, and promotes sustainability. Acer is committed to using recycled materials in the packaging as well, making this a laptop that cares about the environment as much as it does about performance. Now, if you're a gamer or someone who pushes the laptop's limits with creative software, you might want to reconsider your expectations. While the Intel Iris Xe graphics will handle light gaming or creative work, it's not going to deliver top-tier performance for modern AAA games or video rendering. If gaming is a priority, you may want to look at laptops with dedicated GPUs for a smoother experience. The laptop does have its limitations in terms of cooling and thermals. Under heavy workloads like gaming or long video editing sessions, it does get warm, and the fans can become audible. It's not a deal breaker for most, but it might make you want to avoid using the laptop on your lap during demanding tasks. On the plus side, the performance throttling is minimal during typical workday tasks. Speaking of portability, the Acer Aspire Vero weighs just under 1.8 kilograms, about 4 pounds, which isn't the lightest in its class, but is manageable for those who need to carry it around. Its 15.6-inch size strikes a good balance between screen real estate and portability, making it a solid choice for both work and leisure. Now, when it comes to pricing, the Aspire Vero sits comfortably in the mid-range, considering the performance and eco-friendly materials. For those looking for a laptop that delivers solid everyday performance, has good connectivity, a decent display, and is built sustainably, it's a great choice. But if you need more power for heavy creative workloads or gaming, there are better options out there. So who is this laptop best for? If you're a student, an office worker, or someone who just needs a reliable laptop for daily tasks, the Aspire Vero is an excellent fit. It's eco-friendly, it has all the ports you need, and it's comfortable for long typing sessions. On the flip side, if you're into high-end gaming, 3D rendering, or other demanding creative work, you might want to look elsewhere for more specialized performance. In conclusion, the Acer Aspire Vero AV15-53P-77V9 offers a strong, eco-conscious option for everyday users. It's efficient, offers solid battery life, and the build quality is decent for its price. It may not be a powerhouse for gaming or content creation, but for the average user who wants sustainability without compromising on performance, this laptop hits the mark. Thank you for watching. If you're considering the Aspire Vero, check out the link in the comments box for more info. Have questions or already own the Vero? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Catch you in the next review. And remember, the right laptop doesn't just get the job done, it gets the job done with style.